Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this one, I'll be showing you guys how to save old Midjourney images that you've generated way back, and even a different way to remix them into brand new images for you to use. So as you can see, we're currently here in my personal Midjourney account. This is the archive of pretty much all the Midjourney images I've generated in the past. If we scroll down and look through all these old images that I've generated, there are so many, and we aren't able to actually fully download the older ones. Here, I'll be showing you guys a quick way or workaround in order to get these new images again. So go ahead and click on an older image that you've previously generated. Then click on the three dots shown here in order to bring out this pop-up menu. You can either choose to open it in Discord, but here I'll show you guys another way of getting this image in a high definition fashion. Simply choose Copy ID and choose Job ID to copy. From there, we're going to go back to Discord and type the command /show. After choosing the show command, go ahead and copy the job ID that we've previously copied and paste it here. Then, as you can see, Midjourney will automatically use that job ID as a reference to give us another high quality sample of our previously made image. Next, we can go back to our settings, and we're doing this just to double check whether remix mode is on or off for Midjourney. You can also type in this command to manually turn on remix mode on or off. Then make sure that remix mode is on, and we can choose to create a very strong variation of this exact image generation that we've made before. Double check the remix prompt, click on submit, and as you can see, Midjourney is going to make us new remix variations for our previously generated image. Then, feel free to either upscale an image of your choice or download this new image. And that's really all there is to using Midjourney to save and find remixes of old generated images. If you have any other questions or inquiries about these steps, feel free to leave a comment down below. Also, if you learned something new, feel free to like this video. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll definitely see you all in the next one.